Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll be doing 4x4 walkthrough slash example solves. In this video, before starting off the video, I would like to tell you that you must know what is YOW method and how to use the YOW method. In case you don't know what is YOW method and how do we use YOW method, I highly recommend you to watch some videos on how to use the YOW method in your solves. In this video, in the YOW method, I'll be going over all the advanced tricks, for example, the half centers, 3 to 3 edge pairing, and so on. So, let's proceed on to example solve number 1. Hey guys, so the links to the scrambles will be in the description. And let's get started off. Before starting off the video, I'd just like to clear up one thing, that I only solved the first two opposite centers are the white and yellow, because I feel they're a little easy compared to the other, that is red, green, blue, and orange. So, let's get started off with any other further ado. I noticed a yellow bar over here, so that's a really good thing, because I really like solving yellow and white, any of those two. And I noticed my remaining third one and fourth one are right there. And in order to make a bar for these two, what you can just do is U prime and do a white R2, so that sets the bar over there. And then you can just do a D and a white R, so that sets up your yellow center. And now with my look ahead, I knew that these next center pieces were going to be here, 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 and here. So what you can just do here is first create a bar of white, which is really easy, move it out of the motion, and then insert the yellow back there. Then I can create another bar by fixing these two, and now you need to just solve the two centers like that. So that solves all of your centers. I mean, not all, the opposite two centers for now. Okay, so now we have the opposite two centers created, and now we need to get ourselves to the first three edges. So the first one I noticed are right these two. So in order to pair them, you can just do it like that, and that pairs them up basically. Then I noticed these two can be paired up next. So and you just do like that, and you also create the pair. The pair of edges there. And lastly, I noticed these two, so you can just swipe in like that and then do a F move, and these are correctly oriented. So the first three edges here were really quick, and that's good. Okay guys, and now we have created the first three edges, so it's time for the half centers. So I already noticed I noticed myself a bar. So one bar is right here, another bar is right here, and another one is here. So the half center is going to be really easy. So first put in blue, then put in green like that, and I also noticed this one over here, and then you can just put orange over there. So that sets up the first three half centers. And now it's time to get ourselves. So you first need to solve yourself the bottom face, and I noticed that the orange sticker over here is at the down, so you call this as up and this is down. So here I noticed the orange is over down, so I need this orange sticker to be at the down. So all you need to do is put the orange over there, then do a white R2 to pair these two up and insert it back. Now the second step in half centers, as you know, is to solve the front face or the back face. So here I noticed that the white sticker is in the up position, and here it's also in the up position, so obviously I'll be doing green next. So put green over there, then put you do in white R2 to set this case, and then you notice that the orange has been disappeared from its original home place. So what you need to do, put the green over here and put the orange back in. And now you just need to put the green as usual, and you're done with the first two centers. Now you want the red one to be over here, and you want the blue to be over there. So it's pretty simple now, guys. So what you need to do is just do this, and you're all done. All of your centers are now created, and time to move on to the 3 to 3 edge pairing. Now we need to build up the last cross edge. I'm sorry, I basically said in my last part of the video that we're gonna do the 3 to 3 edge pairing. I just said that by mistake. Okay, so let's move on for the last cross edge. So I noticed that my last cross edge is right here and is right here over there. So to put this one down, you can first bring this down like that, do a D2, and then just go ahead and bring like that. So these two are now easily set up. So what you just need to do is pair them together, take them out and slice it back, and then you just need to insert it down to get your cross done. So that's pretty easy. Now we need to move on to the 3 to 3 edge pairing. So you just slice there, and I notice orange green is right there, so you can insert it like that. Next I notice yellow blue is right there, so you can also insert that, and I have red green over here, so you can insert that as well, and you get your 3 to 3 edge pairings, 3 cancelled. Now you're remaining with the 2 and 3. So now I notice that I have a blue red edge here, and I notice the blue red edge over there as well. So what you need to do is put the blue red edge in the standard way you would actually put. So just go there and put it, and now you have these two to be solved, and you can slice that and you get this pair created. But now you need a yellow and an orange edge, I'm sorry. And you need it in this layer. So if you notice that if I just insert it, that'll just gives a bad case. So what you can do here is move it over here and then insert it, so that when you slice back you also get this edge solved, and now you have 3 edges remaining. So what you can do here is, I notice the red yellow edge is right there. So to bring the red yellow edge, I can just insert it like that, and now when I slice back I need the blue and orange edge at the top, which is right there. So you can just go ahead and insert the blue orange edge like that, and when you slice back you have all of your edges created. So that concludes the 3 to 3 edge pairing. Okay, so the reason why I'm not showing you the 3 into 3 stage in the 4x4 is because it's pretty much the beginner's way what you actually do when you first create the pairs and then insert it. The only difference you might get is the parity at the last. So at this stage, if you're doing Yao method, I'm sure that you definitely know how to solve the edge and corner parity, and that's the reason I'll be skipping after I complete the 3 to 3 edge pairing. Okay guys, so again we have a good yellow bar to start our solve with, and the remaining 2 pieces are right there. So instead of just doing first a D move and then doing a U and then inserting it, take some time. So what you need to do is a good finger trick. So you need to do the U and the D prime at the same time, and that should look like this. You notice that? And now we just need to go ahead, insert that and insert this, and your yellow center gets solved. Now you need to insert these two. I noticed that these 2 white pieces can be solved really easily. So what you all need to do is just go ahead and put these 2 white pieces there, and now bring it out and you're all done with it. And now you need to put the white one over there, so that when you just do an R2 move you get the white and white bar connected to each other. So you need to do U2 and then go ahead and put in the bar, and now all you need to do is just get the centers done, and you have both of your centers done now. Okay, so now we created the 2 opposite centers, and now what we need to do is start the first 3 edges. So I noticed the blue and blue there. In the meanwhile, looking ahead to those red and red. So, and the blue one is there, so you need to insert this blue like that, and then you can just go ahead and put the blue one right there, and your blue edge gets solved. Then you need to solve the white red, and I was looking ahead to those, so I immediately knew that they were going to end up right there. So you just need to go ahead like that, slice that back, and just do D2 and insert, and you're done. And I noticed that the white green edge is already solved for me, so what I'll just do is go ahead and insert that like that. And now we have come down to the half centers. So I already noticed my 3 half centers, the blue, green and the orange. So what I can just do here is pretty simple. I can insert first I'll line up orange properly, then I'll go ahead and insert the green over there, and then do an R2 and then do a U2. So I have all of my half centers created now. And now what I just need to do is solve the bottom face first. So what I can here do is do a U2 first to bring this one over here. Then I can do an R2 to fix this bar over here. and then I can again do another R2, and that solves my bottom phase. Now I know that this green seeker is in the down position, so to solve this, what I can just do is put the green over there in the down position. Then I can go ahead and pair this one like that, and now put back the orange that we separated, and now you just need to solve the green and you're done. Now we have the red and blue remaining, so all you need to do is again put them in this, this way, and now you can just go ahead and solve it, and you have got all of your 4 centers that were remaining are solved now. Okay, so now I noticed that we need to do the last cross edge, and our remaining edge pieces are right there and right there. So what I can just do is put these two like that, and now if I do this, I notice that this creates the pair over there. Take it out and do this back, and now you just need to go ahead and put this back, and all of your cross edges are now solved, and you can now go and before going into the 3-2-3 edge pairing, I also noticed this blue and orange bar, so I'm remaining with only 7 edges. Okay, so now let's go, and red yellow I notice is right there, so you can just go ahead and insert it. Then I notice the blue yellow edge is right here, so you can just insert it the same way. Then next we have the orange green edge that is right here, so you can insert it like that. And now if you swipe back, you have 3 edges done. Now I notice my green yellow edge is right there, so what you can do is just insert the green yellow edge like that, and now I just swipe it, and I notice that a red blue edge is right there. So what I can just do is put the red blue edge like that, and now if I slice back, I am remaining with only 2 edges, and they are this one and this one. So you can just go ahead, insert the edge like that, and now just to pair these two up, I basically do my algorithm, but you can do, you're free to do any which you ever practice. So my algorithm looks like this. You can also notice the algorithm will be on the screen now. But okay, and now we are reached to the 3-3 state, except if you get the parities. If you're using Yao, I'm sure that you will notice all them. So that's pretty much this pretty much concludes for this episode, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it, liked it. If you did make it till the end of the video and enjoyed my example solve, I hope you all leave a like on the video to show some support to the channel. Hit on the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel, guys. It's all free of cost. Comment how you think my video was. And if you want to see any further videos, example solve videos or anything, reviews or anything, just comment down in the comment section and I'll be free to answer them, so you can just feel free and comment whatever you feel like on the video. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it, and stay tuned, be sound for some exciting content. I'll see you shortly, guys. Bye.